Future perfect tense with examples. Future perfect tense. When to use. Action which will be completed before a point in the future. Example, I will have completed the training by next week. You will have read the novel within this week. He will have met her before the exam. They will have done all tasks by the evening. It will have run when I go there. Future perfect tense. How to write. Subject, helping verb, and rest of the sentence. This is the command format for any sentence. I, you, we, they, he, she, it. Will have verb in past participle and rest of the sentence. This is the command format for future perfect tense. Future perfect tense. How to write affirmative form. Subject, helping verb in past participle and rest of the sentence. I will have met her before the exam. You will have met her before the exam. We will have met her before the exam. They will have met her before the exam. He will have met her before the exam. She will have met her before the exam. It will have met her before the exam. Future perfect tense. How to write negative form. Subject, helping not verb in past participle and rest of the sentence. I won't have met her before the exam. You won't have met her before the exam. We won't have met her before the exam. They won't have met her before the exam. He won't have met her before the exam. She won't have met her before the exam. It won't have met her before the exam. Future perfect tense. How to write question. Helping subject, verb in past participle, rest of the sentence. Will I have met her before the exam? Will you have met her before the exam? Will we have met her before the exam? Will they have met her before the exam? Will he have met her before the exam? Will she have met her before the exam? Will it have met her before the exam? Future perfect tense. How to write negative question. Helping subject, not verb in past participle and rest of the sentence. Won't I have met her before the exam? Won't you have met her before the exam? Won't we have met her before the exam? Won't they have met her before the exam? Won't he have met her before the exam? Won't she have met her before the exam? Won't it have met her before the exam? Future perfect tense. How to write question text. Subject, helping verb in past participle, rest of the sentence, and tag. I will have met her before the exam, won't I? You will have met her before the exam, won't you? We will have met her before the exam, won't we? They will have met her before the exam, won't they? He will have met her before the exam, won't he? She will have met her before the exam, won't she? It will have met her before the exam, won't it? Future perfect tense. How to write negative question tags. Subject, helping verb, not, verb in past participle, rest of the sentence, and tag. I won't have met her before the exam, will I? You won't have met her before the exam, will you? We won't have met her before the exam, will we? They won't have met her before the exam, will they? He won't have met her before the exam, will he? She won't have met her before the exam, will she? It won't have met her before the exam, will it? Future perfect tense. Exercise. Write in 6 forms. They will have done all tasks by the evening. Subscribe and comment your answers. Thank you.